I work with the CEOs, CHROs, CFOs, CTOs, and CIOs to first align with what in the world are you trying to achieve with AI. So the first problem that I come across is these people have been sounding very ambitious in their employee all hands and their quarterly business reviews. They've been sounding very ambitious and they've been portraying things or projecting things, which employees go, wait a minute, how is that even possible? Or even worse, sometimes employees start to question, like, if that comes in, am I really needed? Is my team going to have in size? So that's the first challenge that I help them overcome in my workshops to become very clear that what are you trying to achieve? Are you trying to gain more market share? Are you trying to get more customers? Are you trying to make your products better? Get specific. Get
Mm-hmm.
specific. So when they do that, then we go to the next step, which is which metrics are going to help us accelerate and make those metrics available company wide, not just to this team or this C suite level, company wide. And then the third part comes in where we get very specific on the how. Sometimes the how may be different to the product team compared to the how for the data and analytics team and for what the how could be for the global expansion team. So we get specific on, well, if we apply this new piece of technology in this way, are all the regions ready to accept? If not, let's understand the friction points.